ब्रेस्तारा वास्को फ्लॅट फोडून 2 मोबाईल फोन आणि 14-15 हजार कॅश फरायली। वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशन मॅनेजर पीसी चाकोचो फ्लॅट चोरांनी फोडलो। जनेलाचे ग्रिल्स उक्ते आशिल्ल्यान चोराक आयतो चान्स पडलो। घरातल्यो आरमारी आणि बाकीचे सामान चोरांनी उस्तून घाले, मात तांकां कांयच मेळ्ळेना म्हणून चाको सांगता।
We woke up in the morning, just we were searching for our mobile phones. We could not find two mobile phones, one of my daughter and another my wife's. And further while checking, I seen that some cash from my wife's purse also has been stolen. And our almaras were found in open condition, and somebody seems to have searched all the areas to search for money or gold or whatever maybe, and he has left one old digicam at my table and escaped from here. I think he might have entered through the grills which was in open condition.
नावेली विलेजेसान दवरिल्ले ऑल गोवा इंटर विलेज फुटबॉल सर्तीत नावेली युनायटेड वस्ताद थारले। फायनलीत तांणी ICSC पारोडाक 2 गोलांनी मारले। खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudent media.in वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात। नमस्कार।